sending you lots of love and light. I am in the forest now. Yeah. So I'm going to take you for a walk into our magical forest. Hopefully there are a bunch of ravens here. Look at this beautiful nature. Oh, we are alive. We are blooming. Look at that, blooming. Isn't it amazing? Amazing life. Trees. Spirits of the forest. So beautiful, isn't it? There is a path right in front of me, right here. Just amazing. Sometimes you just have to follow your higher self to lead you in places where you've never been before. Enjoy, create your experiences of joy, and just sometimes by changing, just deciding to go for a walk, changing the environment, nature, it's waiting for every and each of you. Perfect places for meditations, for resting, for just be here and now with yourself and the nature all around. Beautiful life. Anyways, I hope everyone's enjoying a beautiful afternoon, beautiful Saturday, and highly encouraging you to go all into the nature, recharge, rediscover new things all the time. Tree lovers there. Yeah. Beautiful. There is love all around. In the colors. In the plants. In the grass. Love its life. Chaos, it's created through... Oh, look at it. He's back. Another one. Thank you. Signs everywhere. Yeah. Symbols and signs everywhere. Nature communicates to us. We just have to pay attention, be aware, be conscious. Mother Gaia communicates to those who are ready. Thank you, yes. Ready to receive. It's pure in the heart, clear in the third eye chakra. And very trusting to your intuition, because that's the only teacher or leader that you should be following, and higher self in your intuition. And of course, you know what? Don't forget to breathe. Amazing life, eh? Amazing life. All it's art. Look at this. Everything that is all around. It's nature's art. Hey? Yeah. All the beings are here. Love you too, guys. Thank you for protecting. Looking up from us above, so below. Amazing job. Thank you. Gratitude and really humble. I'm so humbled to be here and now on this planet. It's such amazing experience to see and to. I'm so honored to be able to assist people and those who come and ask, or it just happened, right? Just assist each other. I'm so honored to be part of each of your lives here and now. Because you bring me joy and happiness. Hey. And what the nature thinks about us. The intergalactic confederations of light. Ascended masters are reincarnating in the physical bodies. It's amazing. Gods, angels. Consciousness is being activated with every and each being on this planet. The multidimensional consciousness and experiences. And yeah, some dimensions are not that pretty. Doesn't mean just we have to be. That doesn't mean we are ignorant to that. We are aware that they do exist, and it's reality for many. And many, if you judge still, you will, many innocent devote their life, and sometimes it's very short life to those specific matrices, because they can actually expand the consciousness of others. Just even being here for 3 months, or the baby dies very young, there's everything's happening for specific reasons, and unless it's part of our reality, we will just see it we will just receive it. Sometimes we perceive it from the perception of the information that has been provided to us. You guys know that there is more than one side of the story. So, not really our business to judge, or to even, I don't want to say, don't get attached. Don't get attached. It's something that empaths, I had to learn hard way. Because when you are a very sensitive empath, you feel the pain from children in Africa and the women that are being raped in many countries, and because you may were one of those in your past lives and trigger your, who knows, you may feel it because you're such a high empath. There's so many different reasons. It's all part of the evolution for who you are. So enjoy the ride. May you all be surrounded in environment that is the most beneficial for you, most loving and most supportive. May you are able to create this kind of type of environment, even if you have to make maybe some changes in your life, or do whenever you want, guys. Just keep going. Don't give up on yourself. It's not easy to be a beautiful, divine light being in a world of corruptions and lies, but there is so much beauty. Look, this is different. This is the 5D. This is the 5D, new earth. Hey, new earth. There is a life on these trees. There is energy all around. It's much more behind everything. So explore. Explore your life. Enjoy yourself. Be aware. Be conscious. Be mindful. Mindfulness, when you are stopped and just Take a nice deep breath in and say thank you for sharing your magnificent beauty and the colors. What a unique, and they are also uniquely beautiful, yet they're even their shades, even if it's their neighbors. They all are so authentic, like every and each of you guys, every and each of us. Some flowers needs to be in forest. That's their environment. Some flowers like full-time sun. We are all so different. They not go against each other and starting wars. They just learn to just be. People have right to be different. People have right to have different opinions. People have right to believe whenever they want to believe different religions. You focus on you. You're not here to start another war because they don't go with your beliefs. We are not here to start any wars, okay? Unconditional love and unconditional acceptance. So, telling people that healers, please be aware. Please be aware that before you give any advice about your expertise, and I understand that everybody wants to share their wisdoms, and please do so. But the viewers, for you guys, understand that every person is so authentic. We cannot generalize people and put them in the same box and say, oh, this is because of the trauma, or this is... No, we don't know. We don't know these people. We don't know the scenarios. We cannot really no more talk really general about the behaviors of others. Everyone is very authentic. They have their own reasons. And there are many different causes that cause someone to behave specific way, okay? So, yeah, trauma has lots to do, but there is much more to it. But again, you are not here to convince anybody of anything. It's only a consciousness, expansion of consciousness of humanity and all the beings that are incarnating into the physical body right now. This is ongoing soul evolution. Every day is absolutely amazing. Look at this sacred place. Absolutely beautiful. So have a wonderful day all. Love you all so much, and I hope you enjoy the energies from the video, because I did. So have a great day. I love you all so much, and keep going. Keep going. Life is magnificent. Dance. Then you can dance on your own. There's nothing wrong. And then to be able to dance with someone through your life, that dancer better be complementary to your steps. And I'm talking about the energy. Their energy better be, because unless you are here to experience chaos in the relationship, and there is still learning lessons that you have to learn. That's a different story. So, but synchronizations, yay, and mutual respect and honesty and kindness and love and compassion in the partnerships, and finding the healthy ways to communicate to minimize damage or even causing traumas. Couples, you gotta find way how to communicate healthier way that works for you. You gotta work this together, or find someone who can kind of help you to communicate with each other. friend or mediator or whatever, someone who can stay neutral, doesn't take anyone's side. But because marriage counselors and everything, they just first of all, it's not many of them, and if you cannot afford them, nobody's going to help you. So we gotta help each other. And we came here to heal, not always break up the relationships. So we gotta be also honest, you know, go by the integrity of the people, integrity of their intentions. Trust your intuition. That's all you can do, and do not cause harm eventually or hopefully. That's a cosmic universal law. So have a wonderful day all. I love you so much. I'm so all proud of you. Many of you are graduating to advanced spiritual classes. Amazing. And namaste. Enjoy your day. Sending love and light and healing, protection to every child on this planet, to every innocent soul on this planet, to every being on this planet, every country, every hospital, every nursing home, to all that serves and protect, to every and each animal, plant, elementals. Thank you all for assisting, all the elder councils and Galactic Federation, karmic councils, angelic councils. There's so many dimensions and realms and kingdoms are assisting Gaia and all planet ascending. So take that time for yourself and just breathe and feel the gratitude. Create that gratitude within yourself for this beautiful tree that's providing oxygen, for the birds that are singing around. Just be aware, slow down, stop and observe, enjoy. Namaste. I hope you guys had a little fun through this video. Lots of beautiful energies. Blessings.